Hello. Welcome to another episode of Money Shiksha with Brijesh Parekh. I am your host and wealth coach Brijesh Parekh. In today's episode, we are going to discuss how do I budget effectively. Budgeting effectively is an important skill that can help you manage your finances and achieve your financial goals. Here are some steps you can take to budget effectively. 1. Set clear goals. Start by defining your financial goals. Do you want to save for a down payment on a house, pay off debt, or build an emergency fund? Clearly identifying your goals will help you stay focused and motivated. 2. Track your income and expenses. Begin by tracking all your sources of income and your expenses. Use a spreadsheet, budgeting app, or a simple pen and paper to record your income and expenses accurately. Be sure to include both fixed expenses like rent, utility bills, and loan payments and variable expenses like groceries, entertainment, and dining out. 3. Categorize your expenses. Categorize your expenses into different categories such as housing, transportation, food, entertainment, and savings. This will help you identify areas where you can potentially cut back on expenses. 4. Analyze your spending. Review your spending patterns to identify areas where you can make adjustments. Look for any unnecessary or discretionary expenses that you can reduce or eliminate. This could involve cutting back on eating out, entertainment, or non-essential purchases. 5. Create a realistic budget based on your income and expenses. Create a budget that is realistic and aligns with your financial goals. Allocate a specific amount of money to each category, ensuring that your expenses do not exceed your income. Remember to allocate a portion of your income towards savings and debt repayment. 6. Prioritize savings and debt repayment. Make it a priority to save a portion of your income each month. This will help you build an emergency fund and work towards your long-term goals. Additionally, allocate some funds to pay off any high-interest debts to reduce your financial burden. 7. Review and adjust. Regularly review your budget to ensure that you are staying on track. Make adjustments as necessary, especially if your income or expenses change. Be flexible and willing to adapt your budget as needed. 8. Use budgeting tools and apps. There are numerous budgeting tools and apps available that can simplify the budgeting process. These tools can help you track your expenses, set financial goals, and monitor your progress. 9. Stay disciplined. Stick to your budget as closely as possible. It may require some discipline and conscious effort to avoid overspending or deviating from your financial plan. Stay focused on your long-term goals and remind yourself of the benefits of financial stability. 10. Seek professional help if needed. If you find it challenging to manage your budget or have complex financial situations, consider seeking help from a financial advisor or counselor. They can provide personalized guidance and help you develop a more effective budgeting strategy. Remember, effective budgeting is an ongoing process. It requires discipline, regular monitoring, and adjustments as your financial situation evolves. By following these steps and staying committed to your budget, you can gain control over your finances and work towards achieving your financial goals. That's all for today's episode of Money Shiksha with Brijesh Parekh. I hope you found these insights helpful and inspiring. Join us next time for more valuable tips and strategies to unlock your financial potential. As always, thank you for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe to Money Shiksha with Brijesh Parekh and never miss an episode where we bring you more insights, strategies, and inspiration to help you achieve financial success.